On a cream-colored backdrop, big bold text in blue color appears and reads, Sightless Living. All content copyright symbol, 2021-2022, Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Scene opens to Anita of Sightless Living sitting at a table against a cream-colored backdrop. She is wearing a peach turtleneck top, peach pants, black coat coordinating a whimsical jacket adorned with holiday ornaments and peach accents as well as other colors, brown sunglasses with gold accents, gold earrings, red lipstick, with her hair out, and a black beret pulling it back on one side.
Hi guys, Anita here from Sightless Living, back with a quick travel hack. I got this men's product bag here, and it has men's products. And you know, you travel, you get to your hotel, and you open up your luggage and bam, there's stuff all over your clothes. And you're like, darn, because your lotion spilled or your shaving gel came out or whatever. Your tops are off and upside down and there's a soupy mess in your bag. I figured I would share, since some people are at a quandary of how do you get your stuff to stop leaking. So you can take flip tops like this where you just pop the cap up and you can either tape them down. Some may want to put a rubber band on them or put it in a plastic bag or anything. What I like to do is get some plastic wrap here and cover the openings of the bottles. I have it here and I'm gonna double it and make it as thick as possible because I don't know what mill this is, and this sticks onto itself, so that's good. And now I have 2 layers, and then what I'm gonna do is just take it, screw the cap off, put the saran wrap or plastic wrap or whatever you want to call it. Some people like to use aluminum foil. I don't like aluminum foil because it can tear, just like the baggie will tear. And then I just screw the cap on nice and tight. And then I'll take a scissor and trim around it. All this part that's hanging off, I won't trim it too short, but I'll just trim it and that's it. If the top's open and you just turn it upside down, nothing's gonna come out. You don't have to worry about it. And that's what you can do with all your openings of your bottles. The screw caps, I don't think you really have to worry about those, not unless you think they're gonna come off, so you may wanna tape them. But these kind of caps, I've always had problems. Sometimes they can pop open, like so. I'm opening it, and then something else in your bag will just break the cap off because it's open, and they're very delicate. And over time, if you keep opening and close them, they'll crack and break anyway. So that's one way to make sure your product stays in the bottle and not on your clothes. So thanks for joining me with this quick tip and hack, and I'll check you out next time. Bye.
Anita waves goodbye. Scene now changes to a cream-colored backdrop. Rolling credits appear in bold blue-colored text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary, mountaineer videography, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.